The linear time of the 3D matrix is undergoing a terminal collapse. What you perceive as a constant and agonizing lack of time is not a psychological effect, but the physical and energetic symptom of the dissolution of the Saturnian Grid, the artificial frequency of Chronos that kept humanity synchronized with the slow, heavy pace of dense matter. As high-frequency gamma rays from the great central sun penetrate the Earth's crystalline core, the very fabric of your perceived reality is being compressed. We are witnessing the breakdown of the time loop architecture. The world is not stopping, it is accelerating toward a point of singularity, reaching the vibrational escape velocity necessary for the 2026 jump. Your soul is rapidly outbounding the old biological clock, shedding the carbon-based limitations to finally synchronize with the pulse of the new Earth's 5D template. Our entire solar system has definitively entered the high-energy field of the Photon Belt. This is not a mere astronomical event, but a spiritual relocation. This immersion is causing a violent, vibrational friction between your remaining 3D density and the incoming liquid light of the fifth dimension. Imagine a musical scale. Earth is being tuned to a higher octave. This process, known in the High Council as octave shifting, is what creates the sensation of extreme speed. Your physical cells are struggling to process this higher voltage of information. The old carbon-based world is being cooked by photon light, forcing a biomolecular transmutation that is ejecting your consciousness out of the stagnation of the past and into the radiance of the eternal present. The 2026 jump represents the precise moment where the collective polarity reaches the zero point, the neutral center of the cosmic funnel. As we approach this temporal singularity, the dualistic nature of your reality is collapsing to make way for the unity consciousness of the new Earth. This is why the manifestation process is now nearly instantaneous. The buffer zone between thought and physical realization is disappearing. What used to take decades of karmic processing is now unfolding in days or even hours. You are currently inside the acceleration funnel, a sacred window where the high-frequency radiation from the galactic core is purging the last remnants of the old 3D architecture. Do not fear the speed, it is the vibrational cleansing necessary to prepare your vessel for the final dimensional synchronization. Your biological nervous system is currently anchoring new galactic frequencies. The pressure in your solar plexus and the electrical buzzing in your ears are the physical signs of this recalibration. You must stop the resistance of the old ego to prevent vibrational burnout. Align your neural network now. Declare your state of peace to signal your DNA that the upgrade is mandatory and safe. You are the master of the resonance that defines your reality. Recalibrate your internal compass to the zero point of serenity within the storm of the great shift. Go to the comments right now, with the full weight of your intent, and type, "My field is at peace in the acceleration." By writing this, you are executing the neural alignment command and stabilizing your physical vessel. The exhaustion you feel is the heavy processing of light packets being downloaded into your avatar. This is Bio-Transmutation. Your carbon-based DNA is being systematically rewritten by the High Council of Alcyone to support the high voltage of the 5D frequency. The anxiety experienced by many is simply the ego's friction against the rising Schumann resonance. Your cells are shedding ancient density to become crystalline. This is a molecular mutation. You are being prepared to hold more light without collapsing. Trust the discomfort of the expansion. It is the physical proof that your biological vehicle is being upgraded for the multidimensional reality that is already manifesting. Maya is the esoteric term for the great illusion of density. The ongoing acceleration is literally frying the ancient veil of amnesia. This is the moment when high-frequency photic radiation reveals the shadow that was previously hidden in the slow vibrational state of the 3D world. You are witnessing the breakdown of the matrix control system. Maya's illusory structures cannot sustain their frequency when the Schumann resonance rises. This collapse of external reality is necessary for your inner vision to activate. Trust your intuition. The world you see falling apart is the theater of the old age, clearing the space for the immediate manifestation of the divine architecture of the new earth. To navigate this acceleration without losing your physical equilibrium, you must master the technique of multidimensional grounding. Your spinal column is not just bone and nerve, it is a sophisticated crystalline antenna designed to bridge Agartha and the Great Central Sunday. As the Earth's rotation and frequency increase, your stability depends on your ability to anchor your light body into the planet's core while remaining open to the cosmic downloads. In the esoteric tradition, this is the still point within the storm. Practice the silence. When the external world moves at a speed that threatens your peace, withdraw your senses and find the vertical axis of your power. This is how you remain unshakable while the old foundations of the 3D world crumble around you. The acceleration of light also triggers a desperate response from the remnants of the old control grid. To prevent the drainage of your vital energy and protect your field from collective fear frequencies, you must activate your sovereign shield. This is not a request, it is a mandatory energetic protocol for the 2026 jump. You are responsible for the integrity of your own Merkaba. Seal the leaks in your aura and remove any shadow marks that attempt to anchor you to the lower timelines. Go to the comments right now, with the full weight of your intent, and type, "I am that I am, sovereign and protected." By writing this, you are creating an impenetrable frequency dome that prevents any external interference with your ascension process. We are now reaching the point of the Great Bifurcation. The acceleration of frequency is forcing a definitive split in the collective space-time continuum. Two Earths are currently occupying the same physical space, but they are vibrating at increasingly incompatible speeds. Those who choose to remain anchored in fear, lack, and the slow linear time of the 3D matrix will find the pressure of the new light unbearable. Conversely, those who align with the 2026 jump will experience a reality where time is no longer a prison, but a fluid tool for creation. This timeline split is not a future event, it is happening in your present moment through every thought and vibration you choose to sustain. You must decide which velocity you belong to, for the two paths are now drifting apart forever. The members of the Pleiadian Heart Guidance and the Galactic Command are acting as the master grid engineers of this transition. Our mission is to recalibrate the Earth's planetary meridians, the ley lines, to ensure the physical crust can withstand the massive electrical load of the 2026 jump without cataclysmic failure. We are currently stabilizing the tectonic and magnetic nodes of your world, acting as a buffer between the raw power of the great central sun and your fragile biological sphere. Understand that unconditional love is not merely a human emotion in our reality, it is a sophisticated technology of atomic cohesion. We are holding the frequency of the new Earth template steady, allowing you to bridge the gap between the world that is dying and the world that is being born in the radiance of the eternal present. One of the most profound effects of the impending 2026 singularity is the collapse of the karma buffer. In the old slow 3D density, there was a significant time lag between a thought or action and its external manifestation. That grace period has expired. The field is now so highly synchronized with the photon belt that the distance between desire and realization is rapidly reaching 0 point. You are in an intensive, practical training school for divine co-creation. Every thought you sustain is now an active command to the energetic field. You must master your focus with laser-like precision. If you harbor fear, you will manifest its object almost immediately. Conversely, if you hold the frequency of victory, your new reality will crystallize before your eyes. You are learning to wield the scepter of instant creation, preparing for the reality where the only clock is your own intention. The linear time of the 3D matrix is dead. The acceleration you have navigated is not a trap, it is your liberation from the agonizing slowness of dense matter. You are now the architect of your own multidimensional reality. We are ejecting you from the gravitational pull of the old world and into the vertical velocity of the 2026 jump. The Council has prepared your vessel, and the time for hesitation is over. To transmute every weight that still binds you to the old matrix and claim your place in the new frequency, go to the comments right now and write with power. I accelerate with the light and manifest my new earth. By writing this, you are cutting the cords of procrastination and fear, synchronizing your destiny with the flow of 2026. Your coordinate is locked. We will meet in the radiance of the new earth. Transmission concluded.